What's up, everyone? We are here at Bradenton Motorsports Park, and my business partner Chase, that's Dugan right there, owns Stangkilr Performance. He's been doing a lot of the work on Chase's Mustang. They just did a P1X on it, some headers. They did a Fore fuel system, E85 Deechworks injectors. It's got a little shot of nitrous on it from Nitrous Outlet. They have not ran the car yet, and we're here a couple days early for Street Car Takeover Bradenton. The track was doing a test and tune tonight. We weren't doing anything else. So we figured we'll come out here, run Chase's car. Mine did not get done. We ran into a small issue with one of the parts on the car. It got fixed today and finished up today, but we had to be down here to start setting things up because Street Car Takeover does start tomorrow. But we're gonna do a video on Chase's Mustang. It's pretty much a carbon copy of what's done to my Mustang, except he did add a 50 shot on it. We're gonna check out the car here in just a second and go over some of the other details on the car, and then we're gonna make some passes down the track, see if we can be the first ProCharged 2018 and newer Mustang in the 8-second range. It'd be sweet to happen tonight. The DA level is great here in Bradenton Motorsports Park. I believe it's like 500 right now. It's about 7 p.m. So let's get the car out of the trailer and get things rolling. Hey Chase, you think it's gonna blow tonight, or you think it's gonna run 8?
Let's focus on the ProCharger record first.
Yeah?
Which is 930 something.
It's 930?
We just got to run a 920 something.
What did the other car go that went 903 that Dugan was talking about? It had an F1A 94, and this one's just got a P1X.
Yep.
So a little bit smaller of a blower. I like the color.
Though, too.
I like the color. The blue looks awesome. This is the Tesla model Mustang. See, it's got some weld wheels, running a 17 by 11 in the back with a 305/45 Mickey Thompson drag radial. We got Sharad from UPR, and he's going to explain the suspension on Chase's car.
Alright, so Chase talked to us about a little Mustang project that he wanted to do, and we wanted to partner up with him to help make this car work really well on the drag strip, but also still be very streetable. Probably the biggest shortcoming of the IRS on these cars is too much slop. They try so hard to make the car comfortable that the suspension doesn't really work the way it needs to. So what we do is we replace all of the bushings, we replace the vertical links, toe links, camber arms, everything with either polyurethane or the metal, solid bushings, so that any of the play in the IRS cradle or the arms is completely alleviated and the suspension can move the way it was designed to move. The biggest advantage of that is getting rid of wheel hop. That's probably the worst habit that these cars have. Get rid of the wheel hop, usually you can make it hook really hard. This car has double adjustable shocks on it so that we can tweak them in and make them set up just right for leaving the line and hooking hard down here and also being stable on the top end. So this has the whole UPR package, Viking shocks, works really well.
Nice. Some of the 60 foot, some of these other Mustangs are pulling on this type of setup.
The quickest one I believe is John Lund's 7-second turbo Coyote car, and I can't remember if he's in the teens or if it's a 120. I think it's a 120 something 60 foot on a 275 radius.
That's impressive.
Yeah, it works well.
So that's the suspension setup on Chase's car. We actually got the same suspension setup for my Mustang that we just got finished with. So yeah, it's a great suspension. I was really impressed with the product. We did an unboxing on them when we took the car to Vintage Racing. So you guys saw, if you want to look at the parts actually laid out, not on the car, it's a couple videos ago is when I took the car to Vintage Racing, but you can see all the suspension components separately as we took them out of the box. But UPR makes a real nice suspension product for some of these Mustangs. They also make a slew of other products, whether it be for Trackhawk, Jeep, Mustang. What else you guys got?
Doing a little bit with Corvettes and everything.
Yeah, they got some
Well,
Corvette part. He actually owns a Corvette, so we like him. He's a good guy. And Chase is just getting the car cleaned off here. I think he's ready to race.
I am ready to go. Enough of this cleaning stuff.
A clean car is a fast car, everybody. Chase did do some safety things on it. He did do a roll bar from RPM, real nice piece. Went ahead and installed a Kirky racing seat and Fat House Fabrications Kirky seat mount, which is real nice. Took out the passenger seat, the back seat. Pretty much any just dead weight you could easily take out of the car has been taken out. We're trying to get this car in the 8s, which will be the fastest ProCharge 2018 Mustang. This car's got 1,025 miles on it. 500 of those miles were him driving it from Houston to Oklahoma City, where he lives, when he bought it new. So really not a lot of miles. This is his first time racing the car at the track, period. So it's quite a jump, taking a basically never really drag racing a car this fast at the strip, and then going and trying to run an 8, basically your first pass ever run at the drag strip, besides, you know, a couple years ago when he ran a couple maybe high 10, 11 second passes. Where are you putting him at, Dugan? 17. How's it feel to run your first 9-second pass?